Oh, you guys are not going to believe what Humble Futures Funding has been doing over the past year. Seriously, when I started recommending these guys, they were good, but now they might be one of the most underrated prop firms in the entire space. And today, I want to break it all down for you. So today, we're doing a full review of Humble Futures Funding. We're going to cover who they are, where they've improved over the past year, and they have made a lot of improvements, my personal experience with them, and then we're going to break down the 3 plans side by side so that you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Also, if you're looking to make a prop firm purchase, code RTF will get you discounts at most major firms like Lucid Trading, Perdia, Full Knox, Trade Day, Tradeify, Humble Futures, Funded Futures Network, Xavius, YRM Prop, and many more. So check the description to find out more about these firms, their rules, and exclusive discounts for the RTF community. Let's go! Humble Futures Funding is a futures prop firm, and I want to be really clear about that because there's a lot of Forex-based firms out there that just slap the word futures on their site. Humble is not one of those firms. Their whole thing is being your ally in successful trading. And after working with these guys directly, well, I think they've earned that description. Now, I want to give you guys my honest first-hand experience with Humble. I've been trading with Humble off and on since the beginning of 2026. They're rock solid, the customer support is great, and I really have nothing bad to say about them. And look, I want to address something before the comments section explodes on me. Yes, I have an affiliate relationship with Humble. My code is RTF. But I have to be honest with you guys, because that's the whole point of this channel. I don't send you to firms I don't believe in. I keep the firms on my website just because they're paying me to be there. Humble Futures Funding is a member of our RTF Insider program that just launched. That means that you can get loyalty points for your purchase, be entered into exclusive giveaways, and receive an exclusive payout bonus when you make a verified purchase using code RTF. Join our Discord to learn more about the loyalty program. Go to roberttrades.com to find out more about the firms that are participating. Now here's where it gets really interesting, because Humble has not been standing still. They've made some meaningful upgrades over the past year, and I want to walk you through what matters the most for you today. Number 1, Standard and Express Path are both one step. So, the evaluation to funded process at Humble Futures Trading. At Humble Futures Trading, both our Standard Path and Express Path evaluations are structured as one-step processes. Trade your evaluation, hit your profit target, and move straight into the sim-funded performance account. The evaluation stage, the traders operate a simulated account that mirrors real market conditions, aiming to reach the designated profit target while adhering to all risk management and prohibited trading practices. The submission for verification. Once you've reached your profit target, you must submit an analysis request via the Trading Activity Account Dashboard tab. This tab will only pop up once the profit target has been reached, so please include your account ID and your Arrhythmic user ID. Our analysis team will thoroughly review your trading activity to verify compliance with all rules and risk management guidelines. You can additionally view the status of your request in the Analysis Request tab in the dashboard. Any status other than pending will be moved to the View Archived Analysis Requests. Performance accounts have a 14-day window to be activated. Otherwise, you risk forfeiture of all your progress and termination of the account. Please note that the Express Path does not require an activation fee, while the Standard Path does require an activation fee after the verification to move on to the funded stage. So what happens after verification? If you're on the Standard Path, once you're verified, you'll receive a status update in the Analysis Request tab of your dashboard with a note containing payment links for promotion. If you're on the Express Path, once verified, you will simply receive a status update in the Analysis Request tab of your dashboard. No additional fee is required. Trading in the funded stage. Once you transition to a funded account, you must maintain a strong risk profile. Funded accounts are subject to stricter analysis than the evaluation accounts. Funded accounts are provided a 90-day time window to demonstrate consistent trading behavior, which means reach your profit target, and failure to do so may result in the account being reset or reevaluated. You must stay below the 10% violation grace threshold and demonstrate consistent trading behavior to qualify for the payouts. And there's additional payout and policy information. For more information on how payouts work, minimum trading day requirements, and profit sharing structure, please review the payout information section. Now let's talk about the funding paths and their core rules. Here's the paths and their key rules. Paths. You've got a standard path, which is your evaluation, 30% consistency rule, no minimum days required. You reach your profit target, you pay the activation fee, and you get moved directly into the funded PA. Now, with the express path, you have no activation fee. You just hit the target, get funded, and then you can scale up after your first payout. The instant funding path is a straight to funded path. You go straight to the funded standard performance account. You just pay a one-time fee. You got your rules and allowances. So consistency is max 30% one-day profit of total net for performance accounts, 40% of standard path evaluations, 20% on instant. You've got your daily max loss, which is your DLL, MLL. No fixed daily loss limit, and the drawdown rules do apply. For the HFT, meaning high frequency trading, hold for greater than 10 seconds, and there's no hedging allowed. You can only go in one direction. News events, which is new trading allowed, avoid major economic releases. You can see the facts of the news section on their website. And the payouts is eligible after 5 trading days via Rise or ACH wire, both domestic and international. And then there's the fee. There's the activation fee in the standard account. There's no fee in the express account, and there's no fee for the instant funded. You just pay once. Then after completing the necessary 5 trading days in the PA, you become eligible to request a payout for your performance account. We have simplified the payout request process to make accessing your earnings easy and efficient. How to request your payout. For a payout, please navigate to the Payout Request tab in the dashboard. Here you can submit your payout request by selecting your preferred withdrawal method and entering in the desired amount. Ensure that all the account details are up to date to avoid any delays in processing. We will reach you with our specific status changes or explanations regarding the status of your payment request from support@humblefunding.co. Payout requests. We no longer utilize payout windows. Traders can submit a payout verification request at any time after meeting the minimum 5-day trading requirement. The monthly limit is 1 payout request per account per month. So how long to receive a payout? The payout validation request can take anywhere from 48 to 72 hours. 30% consistency rule for performance accounts. This rule, relevant only to the live simulated performance accounts, ensures that a single trading day's net profit does not exceed 30% of your total net profit over the necessary 5 trading days when requesting payouts. This maintains consistent trading practices and encourages disciplined profit management across account types. Note, instant funding accounts have a 20% consistency rule and are considered standard performance accounts for payout purposes. The instant funding is 20% because there's no evaluation to pass. They have a 20% consistency rule. It's a little bit tighter. So what to do if you exceed the 30% threshold or the 20% threshold? Should you surpass this limit, continue to employ effective trading strategies. Over time, as your total net profit increases, the influence of a single high profit day will diminish. And the payout split is 90-10. Our payout policy is designed for simplicity and trader benefit. We've got withdrawal options for domestic and international traders. Traders can choose either Rise or Humble Futures funding for international payout paths. So the Rise payouts, after you submit your payout request, you receive an onboarding email from Rise where you'll do a KYC, you have to know your customer. Then you can select from the Rise payout methods, which include domestic ACH, global wire transfers, USD and stablecoin, instant transfer options, or you can do Humble Futures funding direct payouts, and that's for traders that are based in the United States. The withdrawals can be processed through wire transfers, which are directly sent to your bank account. For international traders, we offer multiple withdrawal options to accommodate global accessibility. We've got Wise, which is formerly known as TransferWise, secure and efficient international bank transfers. I love Wise. Western Union, fast cash pickup options in multiple countries. And please ensure that your preferred withdrawal method is correctly set up before requesting a payout to avoid delays. All payout requests must be verified for compliance before processing. At Humble Futures Funding, we are committed to innovating the trading industry by providing transparent and fair withdrawal guidelines. Below is a structured breakdown of the minimum account balances, trading day requirements for performance accounts, maximum withdrawal limits, and other essential details for any account size. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys pause the video here. If you want to take a look at these minimums, you can see them right here on the screen. Then you have your payout cap information, which is the withdrawal policy that promotes active trading and ensures financial stability within the performance accounts. It provides traders with a clear understanding of their withdrawal capacities and the requirements. During the initial months, payout caps and optional payout spreads are applied to encourage consistent trading performance and protect account solvency across account tiers. Importantly, once a trader has successfully received withdrawals for 4 consecutive months is important. For 4 consecutive months, the hard cap on payout amounts will be removed, provided that any requested withdrawal does not reduce the account balance below the account's liquidation level. In plain terms, after the 4th month of compliant payouts, withdrawals become uncapped as long as the remaining balance stays above the liquidation limit for that account. Humble Futures Funding remains dedicated to fostering an environment of financial security and growth for our traders. We believe these guidelines will help promote disciplined and profitable trading practices. All right, let's talk plans. And this is where I want to slow down a little because this is where a lot of people get tripped up. Humble has 3 account models. We've got the Standard, the Express, and the Instant Funded. And here's how to think about them. The Standard account. This is your traditional one-step evaluation path. You hit your profit targets without violating any rules. Once approved, you're in the Performance account. Now this is important. On the 25K and the 50K Standard accounts, your profit target and trailing drawdown are 1 to 1.25 risk-reward ratio. That's a genuinely fair ratio. The 75K one is slightly better at 1 to 1.17, and that means that you're not being asked to make 2 or 3 times your max risk just to pass. A 1 to 1.25 ratio means that if you can manage risk, you can pass this evaluation. Now the bigger size accounts, they go up to 300K, and that would be a 1 to 2.375 risk to reward. The Express account, now this is the fast track option. You pay a one-time fee, no monthly subscription, and you skip the activation phase entirely. Once you hit your profit target, you go straight to a performance account status. On the Express 50K, for the trailing, you're looking at roughly $75 if you use my code RTF for the intraday, or you can do $90 for the end of day drawdown on the 50K. For the trailing, you have only the consistency rule in the PA, and the end of day, you have a 30% consistency rule. The Instant Funded account, that's exactly what it sounds like. One-time fee, no evaluation whatsoever. You're in a performance account from day one. The trade-off, well, it's a tighter max drawdown. You can have a $500 drawdown on the 10K account or $1,000 on the 25K. So you get access fast, but you have less room to absorb volatility. Here's my honest take on which plan to choose. For most traders in this community, the Express is really the sweet spot. One-time fee, clean ratio, faster path payouts, there's no activation fee. Standard is great if you want more runway in the evaluation. The Instant is really only for traders who absolutely cannot stand evaluations, and I get it, some of you are done with doing the evaluation thing. You just go in there with your eyes open and the tighter drawdown. The small consistency rule of 20% makes it a little bit more challenging. Okay, so let's talk about the actual payout structure because this is the most important part. On the 50K performance account, your first 3 payouts have a maximum withdrawal cap per period. It depends on the size of the account. You can look at this table. Now here's where it gets really good though, and I don't think enough people talk about this. On month 4, there is no maximum withdrawal limit, 0 cap. As long as your account meets the minimum required balance, you can take out as much profit as you've accumulated, and that's a seriously trader-friendly structure. So the bottom line is Humble Futures worth your time and money in 2026? And I say yes, and I say that with confidence because they've been improving. They didn't just launch and stay the same. They listen to the trader, they've added real upgrades. It tells you something about the team that's running this firm. 2, the rules are fair. That 1 to 1.25 evaluation ratio, no hidden catches on the drawdown structure, no max withdrawal cap after month 4. These are policies built for traders who want to actually win. 3, the payouts work. And in 2026 in this industry, that is not a given. I know that sounds crazy, but you know it's true. Humble pays, and that's the bottom line. And that's why they are a trusted partner here at Robert Trades Futures. If you want to check them out, my affiliate link and code are in the description. It'll get you a discount on your first account. And if you haven't hopped on Discord to learn about the RTF Insider program, that's down there too. It puts Humble side by side against every major firm in this space. Drop me a comment. Let me know what account that you went with, or if you have questions about Humble's rules. I read every single one. I will see you guys on the next one.